Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, front wheel drive, remote trunk release. Your new ride is just a phone call away.